Hello guys, it's your boy David Kwame and welcome to my YouTube channel Davis Hustle. It's been a long time I posted for you guys and kindly forgive me. I'm actually a freelancer on people's project. So forgive me. It's been a month now. And this video is actually Poppo Life Part 2. The one that you requested for. The one that is going to go deep. On this video, you are going to learn a lot about Poppo Life. The first one focuses on the signing up of Poppo Life and verifying your account. What to do. This one is actually what to do next. What to do next after you sign up and do everything. So stay tuned. Okay guys, welcome back. The first thing to do when you join this app is to join an agency. I advised everyone to join an agency when you join Poppo Life. And to those who are new on Poppo Life, just go and watch the previous video, and I've already explained the icons down there. So the second one is actually the party or the agency. So you choose one of them and you're actually going to request to join the agency. So let's take this one for example. Let's take this one for example and explain everything there. The first one, we are taking the first one. So as you can see here, I just off the sound. Okay, I'm going to explain everything here, and to those who don't understand everything here, I'm going to explain everything here. So this is actually the first one, is the one that on your top right corner, down right corner, the icon down there is actually the messages where you can type in. So when you join this, well, if you want to join the agency, you first of all click there. When you click there, you type in your message telling them that you want to join this agency. So the moment they agree to your proposal, all you have to do, they will tell you what to do. Yes, they are going to teach you. They themselves will teach you. So let's go back. So after that, count them. Okay, after that, the middle one, the three bars on the middle one here is actually the option. That is where I actually did what I actually of the sound. Remember, the option changes if you sit on a seat. I'm going to do that to show you. If you sit on a seat, the option will actually what, it will actually change. So that is where you are actually going to do your settings and everything there. The message is there as well. You can click there to message them too. So these two, it will be on my next video because this place is actually broad. Let me off it. Okay, it's already off. Where is the sound from? This two is actually where I'm not going to talk about it now. I'll talk about it in my next video. That is the part 3, because that one is actually broad. Game and the golden flower is actually broad. So the next one is actually where you gamble, the gifts. Yes, is the gambling place where you're actually going to gamble. Okay, so the gambling is actually where you gamble. You have to make sure that you have a coin to gamble. As you can see on the top, the down right corner here, you can see my coin is there. The coins I have there is little. I actually made a first video that it went an error. That is where I made what I gambled to show you guys. So the second one is there. As you can see here, we have some icons here. Those are the prices for the gifts there. And the moment you choose one gift and you select, as you can see, it says send. And when you see the send, close to the send, the roll on the send, you can see the images there or the icons there. These are actually the icons of the people in the table. So it's from 1 to 9, just like the table is from 1 to 9. Just like the table is from 1 to 9. So if you want to gamble on one person, you just click on it. As you can see, the first one is actually blue. So when you tap on the second one, it will become blue, just like the first one. So when you tap on it, as you can see here, it's blue. So you choose on the person you want to gamble on, then you gamble. It sounds wrong because I heard it. And then you gamble. So you can choose on the one that you want, on the lottery that you want. And remember, when you have more coins and you are gambling, your coins down here increases. And that coins is actually for withdrawal, and it's actually for gambling. But if you want to withdraw the coins, you just make an exchange with someone who has coins, simple as ABC. And make sure that the person is a member of the group that you've known, those that can help you. It's simple as that. So let me count down here. Let me remove this one from here. As I've explained the message, the option, and the gambling. So as you can see here, the top right corner is actually the number of people on this platform. It's not the number of people on board, but the number of people on this platform, which is 92. And the top here is the ranking, just like TikTok. The number of people who are ranking on what I'll say gifters on gamblers. Gifters is actually on TikTok, but this here it's actually gamblers. So the gamblers who are actually what ranking on this platform. That is it. So this is all you have to know. And someone will say, I just joined, I don't have coin. Why would I get a coin? It's simple as ABC. If you're a newcomer, just start chasing for fireworks. Let me give you an example of fireworks. I'm scrolling down. I think it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. I don't know. Mine. This one is slow. So no, I have to have it. It's not off. This is actually not off, but it's off. Why is it on? Okay, it's off now. So guys, let me go to my agency. I think it's because this place is choked, that is why it's so slow. But I'm actually going to my agency, the one that I belong to, the agency that I belong to. So let me cancel this. I don't know why this thing is slow. So this is actually my agency. This agency doesn't belong to me, but this is my of the sound. Okay. So remember, the moment you sit down, this seat is actually empty. From 5 to 9 is actually empty seat. So if you want to sit down on a seat, all you have to do, I have the right to sit here because it's my agency. So I click on, let's say, 9, and I sit down there. Get your coin, and it will send you to a next page. So
masih di Cikarang ini. Nanti orang terus sih. Ini ya mengenal waktu sudah naik ke lagi.
yes, I'm sorry. My network is bad. That is why it's so slow, and it's slowing down my phone. That's one thing about Poppo Life. So I'm here to chase for the fireworks, and the fireworks is going to pop up, and you are going to hear the sound. So if your network is fast, you are actually going to get a small amount of money. And as you can see here, the moment they throw a firework, you are not the only person chasing. There are a lot of people who are chasing for the fireworks. So the number here up there increases. So you are going to hear a sound, a popping sound. Yes, that is the fireworks. So after that, you go and check your balance, that how much did you get. It might be that you get something based on your network if your network is fast enough. But if your network is not fast, then you're not going to get anything. So you click here. Let me check. I didn't get anything. As you can see here, my network was slow, so I didn't get anything. So if you get a coins, that is where you are going to, you'll be able to gamble. But if you don't have the coins, you won't be able to gamble. That is that. So and the gambling too, we have different prices here to the highest. You get it, different prices to the highest. So we have the gift, we have the luck, we have the taste, we have the fan club. You can choose any one of them for you to gamble with. And remember, it's likely for you to increase, that is, increase your the money that you gamble. That is, when you win, your money that you used to gamble will increase. And how do you withdraw that? You just make an exchange with someone who has coin on this platform, and the moment you make that exchange, let me tell you something that I didn't tell you. One thing about this platform is that the moment they are gambling on you, as you can see some pink on everyone, pink with points on people's head, the points there is actually the money that you can withdraw. So when you gamble on someone, you are going to earn money that you can withdraw. That is it. When you gamble on someone, they are going to, the person you gamble on is going to earn money that he can withdraw. So when someone also gamble on you with this coin, he's going to get the point. The point is actually increasing. Just monitor. This one is 4-7. You see, it has changed just now. That is how they make their money on Poppo Life. The moment you join the agency, the point here is going to increase, and the point is the withdrawal money. It's simple as that. So make sure you have this coin before you can get this coin. And how do you get it? Just by chasing fireworks or buy it. Or buy it. I'm having problems with this app. Wait, let me close this app. I'm facing problem with this app. Okay, let me close it. This is where you buy a coin. That is if you have money. Okay guys, due to bad network, um I cut off, and this is all what I'm almost done. This is all what you have to know on Poppo Life. All you have to know is how to gamble, which I taught you. All you have to do is to the last icon on your left corner there, you click on it and select it, but make sure you also have um, coins. If you don't have coins, just chase for firework, which I also taught you. And secondly, make sure you join an agency, which is very very important, because that way you can earn your money, you can make your money. People gamble on you, you gamble on them, and the benefit of gambling is your coin, that is your gambling coin, increases. And if you want to change your gambling coin, all you have to do is what? Convert it. If you want to buy the coin, you can buy it on the app, you can also buy it on someone, but it's best when you buy it on for someone. That is where you are going to get it. So just buy it from a person from your agency. Yes, I've been buying from someone in my agency. That is that. Just buy for someone in your agency, and when you earn your gambling coin by winning, all you have to do is to exchange. Minimum withdrawal on Poppo Life is $10, and that is it. So this is all you have to know about Poppo Life. This is Poppo Life Part 2. Thank you so much guys, and make sure you subscribe for my YouTube channel for more videos like this. This time around I'm going to actually make time for you guys, because I have tons of upcoming videos coming. It's because of time. That is the main reason why I can't this is the main reason why I can't post videos online, because of time. I don't get time, but I have videos, upcoming videos for you guys. Make sure you subscribe, just like I said. Thank you so much, and thank you for waiting. To my subscribers, thank you for waiting, because you've been waiting for long enough. Yes, people have been messaging me and the rest. This video is actually the part 2, and it's for you guys. Okay guys, thank you.